Okay, the last session we have studied about the array methods. Okay, so that is we have discussed here. So then we are going with the like what you can say. The last is a slice. These are all the array methods. We have some more methods for the array index 11.html and the doc enter control s right click close others. It is going to be close others tab. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to do like a array methods. Okay, so array methods we already done. So some of the array search. So even we have done for the array search for the index of last index and everything. So directly we are going with the sorting. Sort means what? To display. Okay. So how to sort? So just I will go for the h2 the array sort method. Control S script tag. So I will take constant. So crick I will take a crick is a variable. Then we will take a Virat Maxwell and fab 2 plus 3 and Dinesh Karthik. Okay, so this is a how to print an array. So we already know this one. So how to print CLG for console.log. The array items are plus CRIC crick. Save it. So right click, open with the live server. So it is going to be open a live server. So right click, inspect. So you are going to be see in the console what all the data are there. See, the array is a Virat, Maxwell, Fab Duplessis, Dinesh Karthik. But I will use a sorting. Sorting means what? So it is going to be sort a ascending or descending order. So just I will change to document dot write and we'll add a one break tag. So it is going for the new line every time. Okay, so crick is an array. So this is the array. So these are the item it is going to be print. So here what I will do, I will print one more document dot write of crick dot sort. So sort means what? This is the display items, but it is going to be display with the alphabetic order. Control S will go here. I will add some text. Sort method display alphabetical order. What is alphabetical order? A, B, C, D like that. So we will go here. So again we'll add a one break here. It is taking a one whole line. That's why. See here what happens? Normal display what happens? First will be Virat, Maxwell, Fab Duplessis, Dinesh Karthik. Here what happens? Sort method what happens? It is going to be display the alphabetical or Fab Duplessis, Maxwell, and Dinesh Karthik and Virat. Got it? So how it is happening? So it is going to be take all the characters. Okay, so just I will remove the Karthik here. Dinesh, I will just add a, you will see, Control S. So what is happening here? it is going to be first F. So F will become after D, but here it is displaying F. Why? Because again here D is coming. So that is why it is displaying like this. Fab. So if you want to see one more example, constant. So character list, okay, equals to bracket uh, Z C A A M O. Okay, so this is how it is going to be displayed a data. Just a minute. Hello. ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ. Sorry. Okay. So we are going to be see the array list here. How to do display the array list. So here document dot write of I will add our dr tag, so it is going to be break the line. The character array is plus okay, the character list dot sort bracket. Okay, so this is it is going to be uh, here we can see here. See A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S Z. So what is the order? So here it is Z is there, C is there. So I will print that order also. Document dot write of one break tag the before sort plus the character list this array. See before sort Z C A M O. Then the character after sort A C, because A will be first. The next will be higher order, C is there. Next higher order is M is there. So here haphazardly we have added the data, but here it is going to be sorted alphabetically. Okay. So normal here the Virat is there. See we will come last, right? So that's why it is going for the last year. Virat, Maxwell, Fab du Plessis, Dinesh is there. So this is the order. This is the what is the ascending order we can say. So if you want to reverse it, so how to do? Document dot write of dr tag the short method reverse. Okay, plus and what is this one? Click. Control V dot reverse. Control S will go here. See, again this is the reverse is happened. Just a minute. See what is happening here. So it is going to be a reverse again. Virat, Dinesh, Maxwell, and a Fab Duplessis. Okay, so that is called a reversing array. Okay, so like that, we have so many methods are there. So if you want like more methods, so just go here, Mozilla JS sort methods. So you will get a see here it is a sort method, a splice. Every methods are reverse method is there. So reverse method is what how it will be the so everything it is going to be shown here. Okay, so this is the one array 1 2 3 console.log array 1 array 2. So this is reverse array 1 dot reverse, it is going to be reverse, and console.log this is the reversed, and careful reverse destructure. So this is how it is going to be printed. The first one is what? The normal array. The second one will be reversed. Okay. So this is how it will be, what we can say, a reversing array. So like that we have so all the methods, array methods. If you want to go for in depth, so you are going to be get here concat. So concatenation means what? Array 1, array 2. So array 3 will be array 1 concat array 2. So ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಎ ಒಂದು ಅರೆ ಎರಡು ಅರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಅರೆ ಜೊತೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೂರನೇ ಅರೆದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದ ಅರೆ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, sorry, array methods. Okay, the next will come with the major topic is called a JavaScript iteration. So this is a very important. Okay, if you know well this methods, then it's more enough for one level of iteration level. Index.html and the document, then h2 the array methods are okay. The first one is a what you can say. There are a different loops are there. Okay, so our we can say iterations are there. For loop is there, for off loop is there, for in loop is there, while loop is there, do while loop is there. So there are different types of loops are there. So we are just going for one by one. Okay, the first one is what the control as the constant numbers. Okay, just I will take some a random number. So something 100, 345, 200, 456, something like that. 2, 4. Okay. So this is a one array. What type of array? It is a type of a number array. So if it is a double quoted, this is a string array. So if I double quote for every item, that is a string array. But this is the number array. I want to. What is a loop? See, loop means what in the sense? You are going to be called a same thing for the n number of iteration. Okay, where it will come? So if you know like you are going for the your college, so they are maintaining a one registration book. So there they are going to be add your data. So here it is a your student What is this one? Student ID, and this is the student name, and and number. See, like that, how many students are there? So you have a n number of student. Okay, let's say 60 students you are here. Okay, each 60 students, every day you have to call it. Okay, so you have a up to 60 students. So like that, so you have a 60 students. Every day you have to call the numbers. Okay, so here, let's say this is the you have a number of students here. So this is the last head count. Okay, so this is every time you calling, this is called a loop. Okay, so there are different types of loops are there, different type of arrays, object, and JSON object. So we have a different arrays. Okay, so just I want to print a one array. So how to print? I will take a let txt is a one empty string. So why? So if you want to print the data, you need a data. Okay. So I have taken a one data. So numbers. Numbers is an array. The for each other one method. So okay, in the for each method, we are going to be called a, either a value index array, or else we can call the one more function. So that is called a callback function. My function is a one function. Okay, so here what happened? Function, my function, bracket. So same thing they are going to be called here. See, either you can pass the value index array, or else you can pass a one more callback function. So that is the callback function is a my function. Okay, open close brace. Sorry. So here we need to pass the a value, comma, index, comma, array. What is the value? This is the individual value. What is the index? The index will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the array? So this is the whole thing we can say as an array. Okay, so now what I want to do? So I have taken this text dummy variable, right? Txt equals to, so here, what we are going to do, what is we are taking, the value we are taking. Okay, actual value we are taking. So here, the value. Okay, so if you want to add some break here, so you are going to be add a br type. Okay, clz or document dot write of the number array items are plus txt. Okay, control s, right click, open with the live server. So what is the data it is going to be print? So it is going to be printed 20. Is it correct? No. What is the mistake we have done? So we need to add a plus here. Okay, so purposely I have not added. So what happened here? So it will call the method numbers dot for each method. Here the my function is a one callback function. It is going to be call the function. Then we are passing the value index array. What is the value? The first value 100 will come. So that 100 will be stored into a text variable. So initially text is the empty variable, but when it comes to the array, so it will keep on looping for how many times? Zero, sorry, how many times? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So eighth time it is going to be iterate. So ninth time it will come outside. Okay. So the first time value is 100. The 100 is stored to the text. What is the plus in the sense? Sorry. What is the plus in the sense? The plus, what happens? The text, whatever the value is there, initially empty value, the first, the 100 value is stored into a text. Now the text value is 100. The next is the 345 will come. Okay. So here if you use a plus here, so 100 plus, already we have a 100 value plus 345. Totally 445 value will be added in the stored into text, because plus means what? You can add a new value along with an existing value. Okay, so you can add a value. So this is the value. So you can add the values to the existing text variable. So this is a text variable. It will keep on adding it. So 100 plus 345, 445, 445 to 200, 645, 645. So something 800, something like that. So the final output will be like this. Okay, so now what I want to do? So here document dot write. So here it is. Uh, so the number array items are 100. So what is happening here? Here it is happening a document dot write number text. So we will understand what is the logic here. Numbers dot for each my function is a function. So this is the array. So here the inbuilt one more function we are calling. So that is the function my function. So their value index array. So inside a text, so plus value. Okay, so here it is going to be with the a break line. So then here what I want to do, I want to print the array. So here I will take a h2 hash demo control s document dot get element by id bracket demo is a my id attribute dot inner html equals to text. Control s will go here. See what happens here. It will print the first 100 and it is going to be concatenated with all the values. Okay, so it is how it is going to be print the value. So here what happens, plus equals to, it is going to be concatenate. Sorry, it is not going to be add, this is going to be add a concat. Concat means what? So 100 comma 345 comma something like that. Addition means 100 plus 345, that is the addition. Okay, so this is how it is going to be print the for each function. Okay, so the next is what, the filter. Okay, so what is a filter? As the name, it is going to be what we can say. Filter means what? So it is going to be give the one one more new thing. Or a filter means what? Give one specific condition. So you are going to be give one specific condition. Then you are going to be give the output. So what I will do? I will add a one document dot write bracket filter constant. So now already I have this numbers only. For this only I want to do the filters. So where to do filters? For the numbers array. Filter bracket. Okay. So then again I will call a my function 1. Okay. So then we are going to be call the function here. The function is a keyword. My function is the value. Open close brace. So here I want to pass the three parameters. That is the value, index, comma, array. Control S. So now, so here what happens? I want to do one condition. I want to return the value where the value is greater than, okay, so 200. Okay, highest value is what? 345. So I will use a 345. 345. 3. So return this one. Or it you return. Okay. What is the condition? The condition is what? Numbers dot filter. Okay. What is the numbers dot filter? Numbers is my array. Filter means it is going to be filter the array. Sorry, means filter the array. Then my function we are passing the value index array. So return value, the first value will come. So is 100 is greater than 345? No. Is 345 is greater than 345? No. Is 200 is greater than 345? No. Is 456 is greater than 345? Yes. So then it is going to be print the uh, output. Okay. So let's see the output. I will take a one more example. So not one more example. So here we have taken a. So it is going to be written the value which is the greatest greater than 345. That values it is going to be written here because we have written a here. So here I will take a let x is a equals to. Okay, this x is containing a numbers dot for each my function. The my function value index array is there. So here document dot get initial text. So this text will be sorry. So numbers dot filter, it is going to be filter the numbers array, and where is the exact filter value will be there? Sorry, not here. Control X, Control V. So numbers dot filter. What is the filter condition? Value is greater than 345. Whatever the value after 345, display that one. So that will be written here. So here document dot write method is plus x. Control S will go here. See 456, 354. See here it is a one more value 100, 345, 456. Yeah, 456 also higher. 350, 354 is also higher. So if I just make a 200, the value is 100 is greater than 200? No. Is 100 is greater than 345 is greater than 200? Yes, 345 is added. And 200 is greater than 200? No. 456 is greater than 200? Yes. So 345, 456 is added. Added means not a plus, it is a concatenation. So and 354 and remaining 2, 4, 10, 20 is less than not a greater than 200. That is why it will not add it. The next array will be 345, 456, 354. See, this is the next highest array. So what is the filter method? The filter method, it will create a one more set of array and it is going to be stored. Okay, so that is called the filter method. Okay, so we have so many methods are there. So what we can say, we are going to be discuss more on that one. Or else, if you just go for the official site of Mozilla, you will get a so what you can say a different iterations, methods, everything. So next is the coming with the date. Okay, so date methods, date object, and everything. Okay, so for that I will create a index13.html document. So date is what? Date is an object provided by the JavaScript. So here h2 the date and the methods. Okay, constant d equals to new date. What is the new? The new is an operator. Whenever you use a new operator, you can directly tell that this is the creation of an object. So D is an object now. Uh, document dot write of the date object is D. Control S. Right click. Open with the live server. See, the date object is today is the Tuesday, March 26, 2024. So this is the standard date. So this is the data object. Then what are all the methods are there? See, these are all the methods, okay? So if you want to get the what is the day? So if you just use this method, control S, we'll go here. What is the tool? Get day. 1 minute. Get month. Or else get minutes. Control S. See, 10:34 is the see 34 second and the 34 minute. So if you want to get the get the milliseconds, control S, see 440 millisecond like that. So if you want to get the month, so January, February, March. What is two? Okay, we'll see that one. What it is printing. So get month. Okay. So next is the so many different methods are there. Okay. So if you just see here, if you control tab means you will get all the. So if you want to get the full year, control S, see 2024. So we have so many date methods. Okay. So if you just have how to use a date objects and everything, so that's a uh, more enough. Okay. So what is a JavaScript date method and what are all the inbuilt method of a date object. So if you just add a D and if you will get these are all the date methods. Okay, whichever you want, you can get it here. Okay, so this is what we can say. Get a time is a one more method. Control S. See, this is a yet time why it is see there is sometimes it is a showing us some wrong error because of that is a browser related, so that is the browser issue, so you need to take care. So I think get full year, get hours, get time. 26 Yeah, why it is showing like this? No shoe for. Okay, let it be. Just understand how to use a date object. So then the get method. So if you just Google it, you will get all the methods. Okay, so you don't need to worry. The next is called a boolean. Okay, what is a boolean? So boolean is having the two condition, either true or a false. A boolean is a condition is a true or a false. So let x equals to 100 and let y equals to 200. Okay. So now we are going to be check the boolean condition. What is the boolean condition? So boolean condition either is a true or false. Let z equals to boolean is x greater than y. So what is the condition? I am boolean is a one condition. So it is going to be check the condition is my x is greater than y. Andre x is greater than y means x is having a greater value than b. Sorry, y. So here what happens? X is 100, y is a 200. It means x is not greater than y. So then here it is a false will come. So if you just print a document dot right bracket z, control s, right click, open with the live server. See here it is a false. Why? Because the x is less than. If you just make a x is less than y, now it will become a true. So here it is a true condition. If it is make a greater than, control s, it is a false condition. So when the condition is a positive side, then it is making as a true. If it is a negative, so then it is a false. Okay, so that is a boolean. So comparison wise we have seen already. So what is the equals to and double equals to, not equals to, double equals. See double equals to, it is going to be compared. So there are two uh, equals to. So this is called a assignment. How the x is assigned a value from the right side, value is 100. Means right to the left. So 100 is assigned to the x. So then x double equals to y. So it is going to be compare the value of x and y. If the x and y value is same, then it is a true. And one more thing it will come x and y. It will compare the value along with a data type as well. What is the data type? So here it is a 100 is there. Here it is a something Virat is there. So then you cannot uh, it will not success because if the both the x and y the value should be same and the data type also should be same, so then only it is going to be give the success. Okay, the next is the what a JavaScript conditions. What is the condition? So if you want to go for the metro station, you have a condition. What is the condition? If you have a metro card or a QR code scanner of a metro, then you are allowed. So let's go with an example here. Okay, let okay, for this one only I will make a let 50 rupees. So if you want to allow inside a metro, if you should have a minimum 100 rupees or a 50 rupees. If open close brace, x is greater than 50 rupees. Okay, less I will take a randomly 50 or else 60 rupees. Okay, what does it mean? If you want to go for the metro ticket, you should have at least 50 rupees. Okay, you should have at least 50 rupees. So x is what? The 100. The 100 is greater than 50 rupees. So then the condition will be, this condition will be false. Sorry, true. So whenever the condition is true, that is the if block will be executed. I will take a letter x equals to Aadhaar card. Okay. So here x1 double equals to, okay, see x1 is what? Aadhaar card. What I have, that is Aadhaar card. If the both the condition will be, the condition is what? If you want to enter a cinema theater, you should have a Aadhaar card. This is the condition. What I have, Aadhaar card. Then so here document dot write, yes, you are allowed to enter a cinema theater X1. Control S. So right click, open with the live server. See, yes, you are allowed to enter a cinema theater. I will just remove this one. I can add a meaningful text. See, if the cinema theater is having a, what we can say, asking a Aadhaar card, but I have a DL. What is the condition? Here it is the Aadhaar card, the matching should be there, but I have a DL, so then it will be not executed. So control S, if you just see here, so there is a no execution. That time we need to tell that what is the problem. So that is problem will be else flag. So document dot enter a cinema theater cinema theater, you were not having a X1. See, the condition, if the condition is failed, then we have to tell that, okay, what is the problem? So problem is that, so yes, you are not allowed, you are not allowed to enter a cinema theater, you are not having the X1. What is the X1? That is the Aadhaar card. Control S. Yes, you are not allowed enter cinema theater, you don't have an Aadhaar card. So, or else one more, okay, if you don't have a Aadhaar card, what they will tell, give me one more option. Okay, let x2 equals to PAN card. Okay, so here what we are going to do, we are adding a one more condition. So x2 is equals to PAN card. Again, we are going to be take a one more else, open close brace. So we'll cut this one, we'll control V, document dot write, Yes, you are allowed, at least you have a PAN card. So that is a X2. Control S, if you just show here, see, yes, you are allowed, at least you have a PAN card. If you don't have a Aadhaar card, if you show the at least PAN card, then you are allowed. If you don't have a PAN card, sorry, Aadhaar card, and if you don't have a PAN card, then see, this is the first condition. Or else at least one more condition, at least if you don't have a Aadhaar card, show the PAN card. Even if you don't have a PAN card and Aadhaar card, the third will come, it is called a failure. Yes, you are not allowed to enter a cinema theater, you are not having a either X1 or X2. Control S. So what I will do, I will add a sub break here. BR tag, Control C, Control V, Control V. So it will break the line. Okay. Okay. So here what happens? So he don't have a Aadhaar card. He don't have a PAN card. So that time, yes, you are not allowed to enter a cinema theater. You are not having either a Aadhaar card or PAN card. Aadhaar card or a PAN card. Okay, so this is the if else if condition. First when what first what is if condition? So if you have Aadhaar card, if yes you are allowed or not allowed, and else condition. So why you not allowed means, so that time you have to declare like that you are not allowed to enter the cinema theater. So either if you don't have a Aadhaar card, at least show the PAN card. So then also you are allowed. If you don't have a Aadhaar card, PAN card, then you are not allowed to enter cinema theater. Okay, so this is called a what we can say what we can say if else condition. Okay, so we are going to be see the so few more condition.